So ní maiam rock ceoil ach arid means I don't like rap music either. Okay?
So it's just arid either positive?
No.
Why not?
Then it's freshen also.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. You don't say I don't like it also. You say I don't like it either.
But you don't say I like it either, you say I like it.
Yeah, so they use
also.
different words in
Okay,
English
yeah,
as
that
well
makes
as in Irish, yeah. Okay, so,
Yes, but Irish changes more often and in more ways
All
than
right,
English does. You
true.
have to admit that.
true. Okay, so, Chia, ken Erlish Ceoil is far left. So ken Erlish Ceoil is far left.
Oh. Is Maliam so many size?
Right,
A long size.
right.
Or
Yes.
is it more, is it plural
Omni.
size?
Or you can say omni many.
Is
It's up here
Maliam
somewhere.
Omi?
It means
Omni size, yeah,
Omi size?
yeah, many. Yeah. Okay. And Maliat and guitar electric.
Is Ma?
Okay. And Maliat rock ceoil, Marcia.
Is Ma?
Okay. And Wakatu in Ceolchurum rock ceoil, Rio?
Kind of self and mash is not really a rock, is it? I-
Size, right?
well, how about
Shin ratio
Neil
capital.
Young?
Right.
He's rock and roll, right?
Okay, it's major. Okay.
It's really hard to decide to put a label on.
So, and rock ceoil, an Aurani rock ceoil Neil Young?
Ah.
Sha.
Okay,
okay.
Neil Young.
Okay. Hula Martian. Okay. I guess
Neil
fam.
Og. Neil Og.
Neil
Right,
Og.
Neil Og, right.
Hula be Neil Og.
Right.
Ra Lena. Ga times.
Ra-ur.
Ra Ur.
Ra-ur. Do. Yeah. Ra-ur twice, 2 times, or fui ro. Literally under 2, which means twice.
Fuyo.
Okay.
Hanak be Neil Young Fuyo.
Mhm. Okay, I guess a fem a Wakatessa Neil Young, Neil Og. Hanik. Okay. Okay. I guess a Wakatu you too? Okay. What a Wakatu Igyokurum Ed. Did you see them in concert? Yeah. Niaka. Okay. Kieran, an Maya Ceoil Tradiisiúnta Éireannach. Isma. Okay. Or Hula tú Ceoil Tradiisiúnta Éireannach nuair a bhí tú an Éireann. Oh, Hula.
Oh, Hula.
Yeah, so or Hula tú did you hear? So. So Hula too did you hear?
Yeah.
Okay?
Hula Bay James Byrne, James Fidget.
Ah, a Reb Shigomayaga. V. Okay? I guess a chivin. An mian tú ag séanam. An mian tú do you be ag séanam an guitar.
Do I need?
No, an mian tú do you be at playing ag séanam an guitar on the guitar.
Neil.
Ní bhíon.
Neil.
Agus an mian tú ag séanam ar na drummy.
Ian.
Yeah, okay. I guess, and will to Imana Ceoil. And will to Imana Ceoil. Are you in a band? Will to Imana Ceoil.
V,
Mhm.
Bach, Anish, Neil.
Okay.
Oh,
The drummer die?
The session of Drummador, right?
He was, he had a nervous breakdown.
Oh,
There you
you
go,
the
good
drummer?
joking.
I put it on my mouth now.
No, I was a singer.
Oh,
Okay.
I thought you were the drummer. 'cause you
I guess
play
a
drums.
Vihil. And Wakatu in Shawkurum and Shaw San Diego.
Hanek, yeah, Hanek me on Bana Sticks,
Mm-hmm.
Chunga Reservation.
Okay, I guess, and Reb Shit Gama.
She?
And Reb Shit Gama, where they go.
The she, come on.
Alright, you want to say Karkalor?
August, Shan.
Right. Tashi the Gairi Shan. Nahuel, they're getting old, aren't they?
Yeah.
Alright.
We don't have the singer anymore, do we?
Pardon me?
Isn't that not the real singer?
Not the, about 3 of the original members were there. Yeah.
Mhm.
But they're okay.
Mhm. Right. I guess Kensai's Ceoil Aka. Kensai's Ceoil, what kind of music Aka do they have?
Oh, oh, that's funny. I would say, Tashiad Rockyo?
Right. You can
Again?
Okay, you can say rock Ceoil Aka, so they have rock music, is what they have.
Yeah.
Or you can say Bian Shade Shanam rock Ceoil, so they play rock music. Okay? So.
It's hard to put a label. I mean, what about, you could call them pop, there's so many different things.
Right.
I call them so many
Right.
different groups.
Ratio. Okay, very good.
Yeah, see,
Right.
I got a label.
Right.
I like labels.
Okay, I guess a Robert. And Washington the Beatles, Rio. And the Kiroga, right?
Die Hannekas hier,
Right.
Real,
Niakas, Ian.
Niakas hier, Real is Fulium hier.
Magular. Okay. And Wakatu ein Bana Ceoil Morlara. And Wakatu ein Bana Ceoil, a band Morlara, famous. Big to say. A lot to say.
Grand Ole Opry.
Right, Grand Ole Opry. Kensai's Ceoil Aka.
Hey?
No, Aka Grand Ole Opry.
Kansas.
Kensai's Ceoil, being
Oh,
shaded sham.
back then it was killed too. I don't know what
Okay.
kind of crap they're playing now.
Okay, Magalur. Okay, I guess, Matthew, and Magat killed Disco.
Neil, Limayan.
Miami, right? Kensai's killed this Magat Merchant.
Ismalian Kyo Arana.
Mhm.
Ismalian Bell, Kormaka.
And Magat killed Aranach Tarashunta, nu killed Aranach, nu Amshirha, well, ni nu Amshirha, ko Amshirha.
I'd say both.
And Rachian, right? Kachtaraka.
What's New Hampshire?
That's that. New Hampshire has more New Age, so New Hampshire would be more contemporary. Kachtar Aka.
Oh, we don't have killed New Hampshire.
Right, New Hampshire would be.
What's that mean again?
So Kachtar
Anya.
Aka means both of them.
Both.
Okay, or you can say and Hyun is the two of them, or the two. but New Age would be Nua Amshaha. Like we have Ko Amshaha, Nua Amshaha would be New Age.
What would you call punk? Just
Punk.
peel?
Punk.
What
Kill
about
punk.
new wave?
I guess it'd be Nua Hound. I think they use Nua Hound, I
Music
think,
anyways.
for that.
What?
Again with the things that aren't music anyways.
So, okay, we should post, there's a site I found that has a lot of the terms.
So are we
I don't
doing
know, I don't know what the
Shanti
difference between a lot of these is.
Are we asking about to say Tibetan throat singers and?
Yeah.
Yodeling, I say yodeling.
Well, that's actually, Ceoil now.
Alright, Ceoil.
Why